Hi my dear friends, in the next few minutes I am going to share some amazing tips which will help you all to make your exams clear. So listen carefully and follow them. And it's my promise, if you follow them regularly, then you are going to crack your exams this time. So here is the first: time management. It is the key factor to make you pass in your exams. The best students are not necessarily those who are intelligent from their birth, but they can be those who use their time effectively. Count the number of hours spent on eating, traveling, studying, talking on phone, shopping, exercising, being online, watching TV, etc. And if you find that you are losing a lot of time in activities other than studying, then try to balance your schedule. Start eliminating the time bandits by making small adjustments in your habit. It will help you to get more hours for your study and you will achieve success surely. You should wake up early in the morning because the early morning time is the best time for learning new things. Second, set your daily or hourly objectives. You should break your study syllabus of exam in small parts and wisely allot sufficient time for each part to complete them. It can be an hour, a day, or few minutes, but you must complete that part in that allotted time. By breaking your syllabus in small parts, you will have a clear idea of your study target and your stress level will also be get reduced. Third, practice on old exam question papers. One of the most effective way to prepare for exam is to practice old exam question papers because this will help you to get used to the format of the questions and will make you familiar with the exam pattern. It will also help you to boost your confidence. You will get to know the marking scheme of the questions. Fourth, explain your answer to others. Take the advantage of your parents, brothers, sisters by explaining an answer to a question to them. That will help you to get it clear in your mind and also to highlight any areas where you need to work more. Fifth, use diagrams and charts. Visual aids can be really helpful when revising. At the start of a topic, challenge yourself to write down everything you already know about a topic and then highlight where the gaps lie to make them correct. Closer to the exam, condense your revision notes into a one-page diagram. Getting your ideas down in this brief format can then help you to quickly recall everything you need to know during the exam. Sixth, think positive but work hard. Self-confidence is an important factor, but focusing on how little you have studied or how badly you think you will do in the exam just distract you from working on achieving success. However, this does not mean that you should not study hard. You still need to work on it even if you have confidence in yourself. Confidence just keep away the roadblocks to success. Seventh, do the questions you know first. If you don't know the answer to the question, do the next one and come back to it at the end. Struggling and concentrating on a question you don't know the answer can be time consuming, which make you lose valuable marks. 8th, alternate your study sport. Spending all the time at a single sport can be draining. Many studies says that alternating the room where a person studies improves the retention and make a person refresh. Try to alternate your study sport to get a new energy. Do it and you will feel it. I promise. 9th, stay away from distractions. Very much important. You should always stay away from distractions. Keep yourself away from distractions as possible as you can. Turn off TV buttons. Don't be online so much on social sites. Don't hang out with friends so much during the exam time. Keep yourself in a distraction-free environment. Try to do meditations if you can. Try to do exercise to keep yourself and your mind refreshed. 10th, plan your diet and sleep. You should eat a balanced breakfast full of lean, protein, vegetables, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants. Avoid fast food as much as possible. Plan your sleeping schedule. Children of elementary school require 11 to 12 hours sleeps, but for an adult student, it should be between 7 to 9 hours. Don't consume caffeine or any other stimulating substance before sleep because such substance reduce the efficiency of sleep, means that even with the sufficient sleep time you may not feel well rested upon waking up. 11th, take break. You need some time to have fun, and it is better to study when you are feeling relaxed than to exhaust yourself studying all day. Carefully structure your break and study time. Usually 20 to 30 minutes of study and then a 5-minute break is the most effective method. Make sure that you structure the break logically so that you are not breaking up concept across breaks, as this may make it more difficult to remember the concepts in their entirety. 12th, call for help. If you are stuck on a subject, don't be afraid to call a friend and ask for help. If your friend cannot help you, ask a tutor for help. If you have time before your exam and find that you are not understanding material, ask if your teacher will go over with you at the exam center. 13th, review your performance. It is very much important to review your performance periodically because it will act as a mirror for your preparations of exam. You can review your performance by giving mock test or by solving blueprint papers. It is very much important for exam preparation because it will tell you that where you are lacking and where it is required to make efforts to crack the exam. 14th, don't cram. Stick to what you already know when studying the night before exam. You will only make yourself nervous if you try to learn new information. Review your notes or test yourself on key points. Last but not the least, and very much important, and here is the 15th, keep yourself cool. Don't talk to other students about exam before the exam because it could confuse you or make you lose confidence in yourself. The same goes for after the exam. Don't hang around with your friends by talking about what was on it or what was the correct answer of that question, because you will start to doubt yourself, and you can also feel stress if you get to know that you made mistakes, and this can affect your upcoming exam papers badly. So that's all. If you like this video, then please press subscribe button. Yes, please press subscribe button and share it with your friends to help them, because a friend in need is a friend indeed. Oh, you're not done yet? Please press subscribe button. Thanks.